If you want to uninstall PDFX because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall PDFX on Windows 11 and in Windows 10 in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate PDFX. Click on the three dots to open the PDFX options. Click on Advanced Options. Locate the Uninstall option. This will uninstall PDFX and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First press Uninstall. Now open your Microsoft Store to download PDFX again. Search for PDFX. Click on PDFX. Press Get. Wait for PDFX to be downloaded and installed. If you want to reinstall the app, first open the Microsoft Store.